Well, good evening and welcome to Hobby Mount's Facebook page. My name is Shane Solomon. A very happy new year to all of you. And tonight I will be revealing the winner of last month's competition. Now it's very, very exciting because the winner, of course, is going to get £3,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts. And on top of that, the PFCO course, which is worth £1,140 as well. So you can get totally qualified if you're not already. That's what's up for grabs. I can see loads of you starting to jump on live already. Let's just put this on so I can see who's watching. So we've got Liam is on board here, and good to see you, Liam Kemp, Anthony Bridgewood, Jack, Richard Arp, we've got Scott Clark, Dan Holman. Everyone's logging. You can feel the excitement. And we also have 3 runners up to win the Tello drone as well. So all to play for tonight, but I've got to reveal this. I've got to reveal this because last month's question was, which new DJI Osmo product has just been announced? And it was, of course, this, the DJI Osmo Pocket. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Now this is the first time I've held one of these, and I'm a little bit impressed. I had a little play of it earlier on before we went live. I want one. I want one. I've got the Osmo Mobile. I got that from Hobby Mounts. We use it at the Cornwall channel all the time. But this, oh my goodness, what a pleasure this is. So that was the answer for last month's competition. That was, what was the new DJI Osmo product that's just been announced? It was the DJI Osmo Pocket. So there it is. You can buy it. They do have stocks, limited stocks here at Hobby Mounts. So get on their website and buy that if, of course, you don't win the competition tonight. So that is the question from last month. I can reveal that this month, this never ceases to amaze me here at Hobby Mounts. It never ceases to amaze me. This month, they've upped the prize from £3,000 to £3,500 to spend here at the Hobby Mount store and on their website if you live further away from Cornwall. So more prize money. That's what we're talking about here. Steve Neal says, good luck everyone. You can feel the tension. I absolutely love this bit. But before I go and tell you who the winner is, which I do have in the gold envelope, and I will be phoning you, so hopefully stand by your phone, I want to let you know the question for this month. So if you were unfortunate enough to not win this month, you can still enter next month for the £3,500 plus an online PFCO course as well, which is worth about £540. So all to play for again. Total prize over £4,000 for next month. And the question will be this. You can find it on the Hobby Mounts website. Which of these is not a drone manufacturer? Is it DJI, Parrot, or Apple? Even I think I'm going to go though. I don't know if I can have a go actually. I need to look into that, but that's the question. I think I know the answer to that, but I can't be sure. Right, runners up on the Hobby Mounts Facebook Live competition for December. Here we go. Ready? This is to win a Tello drone. That's because you shared it. You've got to share this like mad and you could win the runners up prize. So here we go. We've got Philip Jones from Pontypool. I don't even know where that is, but it sounds good. Neil Petherick from Salisbury. And Rob Duke from Truro. So fantastic. We've got someone in Truro, someone here in Cornwall who's won there as well. So I'm very biased to Cornwall. But well done to all 3 of you guys. Paul or Beth will be in touch with you to let you know how you get hold of your Tello drone, worth about £100. So happy days. Right, okay. This is what's happening now. It's the gold envelope time. It's for the winner. Let's have a look at all you people. Richard Woods. Good evening to you, Richard Woods. Big shout out to you. Victoria Lawson, good evening to you. If you've never entered the competition before, I'm just trying to find the phone. Where he put the phone? Paul's put the phone somewhere. There it is. Oh, he hid it. That's clever. Thank you very much, Beth. Beth is on the camera tonight. Mr. Spinks couldn't be here tonight, so it's Beth and myself. So, winners are here. The phone is in my hand. Let's get it ready. Turn that one on. 9 for an outside line. Here we go. Let's get the number. Stand by your phone, people. Who's going to win this big prize? Oh, stand by your phones. And then it goes. Oh, one more. Good luck. This is it. Ian Turner, good evening. Peter Voss, good evening. Pete Clark.
Hello?
Oh, good evening. Is that Kevin?
It is.
Oh, good evening, Kevin. I don't know if you're watching our live stream, but it's Shane Solomon here on behalf of Hobby Mounts. How are you this evening?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. Kevin?
I was just watching it when you phone rang.
What's the odds on that? And I think that's what everyone hopes for every month when the phone rings and we're live. And the time now is just gone past 8:05. Kevin from Plymouth, Kevin Waite from Plymouth, I'm very pleased to let you know that you are December's winner of the £3,000 to spend at Hobby Mounts, plus the £1,140 worth of PFCO course from UAV Academy. So well done.
Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much.
Have you got any idea what you would spend £3,000 on to start with?
Oh, let's see where to start. I've already got a PSDF.
Okay, well, you can probably sell that on and come up with some arrangement with Paul, but the £3,000, is there anything that's hit the market at the moment you think, yeah, I like that?
Well, a Mavic 2 Pro would hit the spot.
Well, there you go. Well, good stuff. When you're only up in Plymouth, so perhaps you could probably fly it down to us and give us a visit sometime.
Yeah, I'm sure I can. Thank you very much.
Well, Kevin, very well done to you, and congratulations, and thanks very much for entering. And I do believe that you've entered every month, I think, since the competition started. So it just goes to show, got to be in it to win it.
Yeah.
Absolutely superb. Well, Kevin, enjoy spending that money with Hobby Mounts. On behalf of myself, Paul and Beth here, we wish you well.
Thank you very much.
All the best, Kevin. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So there we go. Kevin Waite from Plymouth was this month's winner. Absolutely amazing. 3,000 to spend here at Hobby Mounts. And of course, the PFCO course worth 1,140 quid as well. So next month, you could still win. I can see all you guys here on the live. Good evening and absolutely well done. As everyone's saying, well done to Kevin. It's great to see so many comments coming in. But you can enter, go straight onto the Hobby Mounts website and take part in this month's competition to win this time £3,500 to spend here at Hobby Mounts. It's all to play for. And don't forget, share it, because if you don't win the top prize, you could be in with a chance of winning a Tello drone worth £100. 3 runners-up prizes. That's what we're talking about. So once again, Happy New Year on behalf of myself, Paul and Beth here at Hobby Mounts. We'll see you same time next month for the winner of the big prize, £3,500. See you soon.